Sigma Little Poochie Bears, and today we will be playing Doors. Let's do this. Yep. Oh, my back. Oh, I'm tired. I've been lying to you guys. This is not my real voice. Do you guys want to hear my real voice? This is my real voice. It's very dark, I know. Two-toned. Okay. Should I go with 2? Oh. Someone join me. Please, you know what? I'm gonna wait until someone joins me. Join me. More. I'm haters. Dang. No one wants me. I hate my toe right now. Jeez, you don't have to be so loud. I'm going with flashlight. Oh, what is this? And I get it! What's my number? I'm lagging. Oh my god. I'm a horrible singer, I'm sorry. Open up, Daddy. Oh. Spaghetti, slicers, Ohio, Phantom Tax. I feel like I'm a turtle. Wee! Bonk, bonk. Check both ways in a scary game. Open. Open. Bean. What the? No thanks. No thanks, broskies. No thank you, broskies. Ba-ding-da-ding-da-ding-da-ding-da-ding-da-ding. Jeez, that was aggressive. This used to be the worst part when I was playing this. Skibbity? Oh, skibbity. Bonk, bonk. Where am I? Oh, yeah. We're here. Oh. Is that the... I'm scared. Hold up. I'm scared. Is he coming? I'm so so scared. I'm gonna like miss him. I have a mini spawn! Wow! Yo, it's extraction right again. And right? Wait, your turn. Oh my god, that scared me so much! Oh my god, that scared me so much! That's not even funny, I almost got a heart. What is that sound? What the f... I'm gonna literally murder someone. Are you the real... You're weird. Pink, pink. Check both ways. Where am I going? Did I already do? No. Ah! Oh god. My god, that scares me so much. Excuse me. No. Oh, cool. You know what? I don't want to go through looking for all of them. I'm gonna use my key pick. I feel like I'm stabbing someone. Yippee! Oh. I will recover, I swear. No, thank you. Stop screeching in my ear, please. It's the key! Ooh. You do not look good. Why does my arm stick out so much, bro? I'm actually having a good time. You'll be here. Okay, why am I... Where are you going? 120. I've never done it. Fine. I'm getting it. Mistake. Mistake. Oh, not an enemy here.